Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add fade effect to text in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box, then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Now I am applying the bold effect. Then go to the shape format menu. Then select the shape fill and make no fill. Select the shape outline, make no outline. Then go to the shape format menu, select the text effect option and choose the transform. We can see here many options. Now I am select the fade in. You can add the fade in, otherwise you can add the fade left. Now I am select the fade right. We can see we add fade effect to text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.